Hello guys, hope you're doing well, and today I'm trying my first time to record a YouTube video. I bought a garage recently, let's say almost a year ago in Dubai, and I'm trying to make it work. So let me take you through our garage and see what we're working with. Here is my office. Our guest reception area with a chessboard. Here is our alignment jack, in which we usually keep it empty, but whenever we are not full. Once we're full, we can work also here. But preferably we keep it empty, so whenever someone comes to do fast job, we do it here. Here one of our clients that we already fixed the car for him. We're finishing with the exhaust welding, exhaust placing. And it should be done. We did, by the way, full car paint and restoration from the accident. This car we bought to do the fresh look. We're flipping this car, so let's see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated with this one. As for this one, it had some AC issues, so we changed the condenser, compressor, and evaporator, expansion valve. So right now we fill in the AC gas and it should be good to go. Meanwhile, here we have GT 350 Shelby, in which we're gonna swap the gearbox. We initially wanted to fix it, and we can fix it. Here is the gearbox that we opened to check what was the actual issue. So this car was around 5 months in the dealership, and they said to the client that he needs to change the clutch. But after they changed the clutch, the issue was still there. So he got tired of that, and he brought his car to our garage so we can fix it and work on it. One of the projects that we did recently, it's a bit dusty because we've been taking it out to test drive and everything, because other than restoration that had some mechanical issues. But right now it's okay. It's all done. So again, don't mind the dustiness, but we also did here the leather paint for the dashboard. You see how it turned out? Fresh, like from the factory. So yeah guys, I'll keep you updated on what's going to be happening even today. So let's get going. By the way, I forgot to mention, here is the entrance to my garage. So there is a few more cars that expecting their turn to be fixed. This car has a shocks issue because it's pneumatic shocks, electric ones with the air, with the pump. So we need to replace the pump to see if these shocks are okay or not. Again, we will see that in today's video, what we're going to do with this car. For this car, we're waiting for the client's approval. He sent this car a few days ago for us to check what's the issue with the gear. It's also the stick, the manual gearbox. We test drove it. As you can see, the tires are in very, very bad condition. So this side is more or less okay. However, still there is issues with the valves that we already fixed, so it doesn't leak. However, this side, this one is almost flat. And you see the rim condition? Broken. Oh. And here we have also bended rim, you see on this corner, and the tire is flat. So yeah guys, now we'll start working on the Range Rover. Let's see how it goes. We will change the pump for the shocks. Chimos, where is the pump for the shocks? Okay. There's pieces, huh? Okay. Let's search for it. Here it goes. Here's Chimos. Here's Nadim. We need to access these wires, so Nadim will remove the cover now. So we ended up opening the full covers for the trunk. This one. But this wire socket is small, huh?
You see the two wires here.
Yeah, let's use the wires. We just replace this wire with this one. So now we'll dismantle everything to check and swap the wires, because the wires that came with this used one, they are short, maybe different model, maybe different year. And this one, as you can see, goes full line under here, underlining, and then comes inside here. So we will swap the wires so we can connect this new pump, used pump, to this, the pump that is not working. What you doing, Nadim?
Fiber coating.
This for which car? For the grey Mustang? That might be the key reason why it's not working. However, we have this controller here that we need to replace also. And this controller, we already told the client, it's not always for us, but we already told the client that the controller that he brought, the used one, might not work. But the client still opt to do it. So he said, let's proceed with that. And if it's not going to work, okay, we will buy new. But for now, let's try the used one. Here's the controller that we have. What do we have here?
The corrosion, eh?
Yeah, corrosion. Let's look. Oh. So maybe the computer is okay. Anyway, it's better to replace, right?
Yeah, but we'll fix and start it and check.
And then we replace.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the air distributor. We distribute the air and controls it.
But there is slight air there anyways, no? But it just not goes
No,
up.
no air in the front, but the rear side how that is air.
So this and this are not the same because they use the sensor and they put the pipe through here. Here is the one that is directly, this sensor is directly on the solenoid itself already. But doesn't matter, it should be alright. Same principle of the system. So while we're working on this one, we have two more cars. This Mustang, we need to do the oil change. And this Dodge, we need to do just a simple wash, full wash. Good day for the business, but it should be better. Connected? Yes. So for the oil, it looks like we're using this oil, but actually we have the tank in the back. So we're using these guns to fill the bottle from the drum that we have in the back. It's 5W30. So instead of buying every time, can by can, I decided to go with the drum. And we're using these pistols from the drum, filling these containers and putting it inside the car. 5 minutes later. Did we start the car first and try before that? It's going up, that means this pump is okay, we don't need to change the controller. You see, we'll lower the jack now, you will see how down it goes, the car. You put it down? Huh?
It's okay now.
It was up, it came up. Put down now. It's not going up? It's not going up, it's not going up. You check, I'll try to check. I'll do it, you check. Now full down. I put up again. Use the computer. We're gonna scan with Hotel computer, Maxi Ultra something something. Oop, oop. Nadim, please put back, huh? Oop. Finish. Oh, 1 second, 5 minutes. I check computer then. We need to put it to charge. Oh. Okay. When we see here, there is a lot of historical data, which is probably the case of when we remove the battery or something like that, just it shows history. What we have here, battery voltage, you see, that's the issue for the most of the case here, show the reason for the history. Just in case, I'll check this history, I report it. Odometer reading for us is 131 kilometers, 131, 826 to go back. We will quick erase all the faults to see what's gonna be left when we remove. So we would recommend the client to change the battery, but it's up for him. Well guys, let's go for a quick test drive, and then we will see. Maybe we need to remove some rust from it. Right now it's on the lower mode, full lowered, supposedly. So we'll try. So we'll try to raise the car on the go. I'll put it on this mode, general program, and I'll put on auto even. Let's press it up. Let's see if it's gonna do it on the go. You see it's tripping here, so it might be the computer issue. Now it should be better. However, the raise is still in progress. As you can see, it's blinking. Oh bullshit. I don't like that it doesn't stay properly. It's trying to, but it's not working. So the pump is working, that's good. Because it was not working before, as we've seen yesterday. But now let's test putting the vehicle down, as you can see this light here. But it's still showing the raising in process. So I'm guessing that's the computer issue. Is supercharged normal height selected? Okay, it's selected normal on its own. Let me drop it down. See if it's going to do that. Suspension will raise when system cooled. Dubai weather. It was yesterday plus 50 and the day before plus 50. And today it's 45. Bearable, but still. Oh my god. I'll put it in the shadow, we'll wait, let the car rest a bit. So there is two controllers, front and rear. I think better to put the white one because we're gonna fit it the way that we removed it. If we're gonna do it right now, the top one or the orange one, will not be able to properly turn the white one. Look how much down it went. Sure. And because of left side is leaking, I guess right side is also leaking. So we came in the morning and we saw that the left side of the car was leaking, like it was full down, and the right side was stayed up. So we decided to remove the shock and check it and hear it, what's happening. It's blowing air from the top side. It should not. It should keep it inside. Stop, Chimos. You see? It's leaking right away. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I end up buying the Range Rover. It's all done. The suspension is working. We needed to change the driver's side front suspension as it was leaking on the top, if you've seen previously. So now it's mine, and I'm gonna do some polishing and etc, etc. By the way, you remember that Shelby that I was talking about? We fixed the gear, we changed it, so now the car is all good, and the buyer or the client will come now to pick it up. Like in 30 minutes we'll go for a test drive with him, because I've been already on a test drive, everything seems fine, and now the client has to test drive to give his final verdict. But good to go. This one car was battery dead, this one is still here waiting for the client reply, and today we will start working on Hyundai. It's my car, I'm gonna sell this one. Here is the condition after the heat, as you've seen previously. Then today we will start fixing it. Hey guys, future me here. I just noticed when I was doing the editing for the video that I didn't explain properly how I end up buying this car. And long story short, the client wanted to sell it fast because he's moving from the country, and I liked the car whilst we were working on it, so I decided to buy it for the good price, of course. As for the leakage from the left side, why only the front shock we changed is because there is one connection of the pipe that goes on the left side, driver's side, and one on the right side, passenger side. I'll put the diagram here so you can see. And yeah, so we changed everything is all right. I checked the car fully, like all the bushings, everything was in perfect condition because the owner of the car took care of it. So now let's see what awaits us in the future. Good luck. So yeah guys, hope that was a good video. I'll keep doing some more videos around cars and particular problems. I'll try to make history from each car. And yeah, this one I liked, so I might keep it, I might sell it, I'm not sure yet, but most probably I'll list it for a higher price, and if it goes, it goes, you know. So far I like this car, very classy. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and follow, please. Again, I'm not here to promote my garage, but I'm more in taking you throughout my journey, how to own a garage, what to do, what issues we are facing, and overall what we can do day by day. But yeah, hope that was a nice video for you. Bye.